That's the frequency or the feelings that you should match for you to manifest your goals and your dreams in your life. Kaya pala, pag makikita mo talaga ang mayayaman, may aura talaga sila. Para pag nakakita ka ng, iba talaga, may aura talaga ang mga mayayaman. Meron talaga. And I do believe that grabe yung grit nila, yung passion nila, yung love nila sa ginagawa nila. Kaya meron silang ganung result. Kaya umabot sa ganung frequency. And the highest frequency is love. If you are full of love, what does it mean? If you are full of love, of course, anong kabaligtaran ng love? Hate. Wala kang bagay na kinaayawan o yung kinaiinisan, yung mga ayaw ka din, walang ganon. Diba? Because you are full of love. When you are full of love, sa ginagawa mo, sa network, lahat ng bagay na magaganda mag-manifest, mag-flow eh. Kasi magaan ka. Kasi mataas yung frequency mo. When you're full of love, ang dami mong energy to do a thing. When you're full of love, lahat na nakikita mo magaganda. Kaya ang nangyayari sa'yo, magaganda. Di ba? Happy-happy mo, napaka-light. That is happening in your life. Kaya napakasarap ng buhay kapag love ang nag-circulate sa'yo.